As of August 2026, NASA and JPL list 456 confirmed moons around the 8 planets. Not a final number carved into stone. 456 confirmed planetary satellites, with hundreds still carrying provisional designations, and the outer planets still giving astronomers tiny objects to confirm. The pattern is almost unfair. The inner solar system is quiet. The giant planets are crowded. Mercury and Venus have none. Earth has 1. Mars has 2. Then Jupiter and Saturn turn a moon into a swarm of worlds, fragments, captured objects, and unnamed dots. Mercury starts the count at 0. It looks moon-like in places, gray, battered, cratered. But NASA lists no moons and no rings. The strange part is that Mercury does not need a moon to feel alien. One solar day lasts 176 Earth days, longer than its 88-day year. Near the poles, water ice may survive in shadow while sunlit rock can reach about 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is also a 0. No confirmed natural moon, but it has a famous almost moon, Zeus. NASA describes it as a quasi-satellite asteroid. It orbits the Sun while staying near Venus, so it is not part of the official moon count. Venus already has enough weirdness. It spins backward compared with Earth, so under those clouds, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Earth has one official moon, the one that trained us to imagine moons as large, round, bright, and familiar. But even our moon is not as still as it looks. Libration lets us see slightly around the edges, so the face is familiar but never perfectly frozen. Temporary quasi-satellites and spacecraft do not belong in this count. For the 8-planet tally, Earth contributes 1. Mars adds 2, Phobos and Deimos. They do not look like Earth's moon. They look like battered rocks Mars managed to keep. NASA describes their origin as uncertain, thought to be captured asteroids, or possibly debris from early solar system history. Phobos is the dramatic one. It orbits Mars about 3 times a day and creeps inward by about 6 feet every 100 years. If that continues, NASA says it will crash into Mars or break into a ring in about 50 million years. Then Jupiter changes the scale. As of August 2026, NASA and JPL list 115 officially recognized Jovian moons. Some are famous worlds. Many are small, distant objects most people will never hear named. NASA even warns that the number alone does not capture the system's complexity: moons, rings, and thousands of small objects moving around the planet. Io is the volcanic nightmare of the group, the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Europa hides an ice-covered ocean world. Ganymede is bigger than Mercury. Around Jupiter, moon can mean a tortured lava world, an ocean candidate, or a tiny irregular object held far out in the planet's reach. Saturn currently leads the planetary moon count. NASA and JPL list 293 confirmed moons as of August 2026. That number is so large because Saturn's system includes more than the postcard planet with rings. It includes Titan, which is larger than Mercury, wrapped in atmosphere, and strange enough to be a destination by itself. It includes Enceladus, with a global ocean under a thick icy shell. And it includes small oddballs, some shaped less like planets and more like potatoes or ravioli. A moon can be a world with weather and chemistry. It can also be a lumpy shard in a tilted outer orbit, barely famous outside a data table. Saturn has both: the headline worlds, the ring-adjacent weirdos, and a lot of the second kind. Uranus has 29 known moons, and the system is strange before you even get to the names. The planet rolls around the Sun on its side, so the moons orbit a tipped world. The named Uranian moons follow literature instead of the usual classical pattern: Shakespeare, plus some Alexander Pope. Miranda looks broken and rebuilt, with cliffs, canyons, and mismatched terrain. Not every Uranus moon is named yet, so the safe line is 29 known moons, with named ones following literature. Neptune has 16 known moons. Its great oddity is Triton. William Lassell discovered Triton only 17 days after Neptune was discovered, and Voyager 2 later gave us the first close images. Scientists believe Triton did not form as a normal Neptune moon. The evidence points to a captured outer solar system object, pulled into Neptune's gravity long ago. That makes Triton feel less like a child of Neptune and more like a stolen world. Side by side, the solar system stops looking tidy. 0, 0, 1, 2, then 115, then 293, then 29, then 16. The total, as of August 2026, is 456 confirmed moons around the 8 planets. It is a living inventory. Some have oceans, volcanoes, and atmospheres. Others are fragments. And all of them count.